Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on auto scroll on TikTok. Now before I start with the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you need to do is you need to open up TikTok and then just long hold on the screen until you get this option. And you see the auto scroll option, you just want to enable it and next post will be shown automatically. If I were to come, for example, at the end of this video, without using hands, is going to auto scroll. Now, if you want to turn it off, all you have to do is tap on the arrow. I don't know if you saw it, so arrow at the top right, just tap on the arrow and the auto scroll will be disabled. If you want to turn it back on, it's the same thing, just come here, auto scroll, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.